Hi, good evening. How was the today trading? And today also there is no much movement, but slowly we have captured the decay. And you can see here the first candle. This is the whatever smiley I have put in the this thing. This is the smiley. You can see in the first candle. The first candle is the red candle, whereas in the awesome oscillator is a green bar, and accelerator indicator is the red bar, which is slowly coming down, but awesome oscillator is in the bullish signal. So if you see in the option chart, C side is a long green candle, first candle, and awesome oscillator is a red above zero line, and the accelerator indicator is also red above zero line, just above zero line. And if you see in the P chart, the first candle is the red candle, and awesome oscillator is a red bar with below zero line, and accelerator indicator is also below zero line but red green bar. So the first candle we could not able to check anything, but even though the direction, if you see direction, the downside direction is showing in the P side. That means Nifty will be Nifty may be in the bullish side. You can see here. This is the downside. I am putting the downside arrow. This is the downside, and here if you see, this is the upside. Here if you see, this is the upside. So straight away what we'll have to think, what we'll have to take the trade. So this wherever down is there, because we will go for the sell trade only, na. So wherever it's a down is there, so that we can give the preference rather than the wherever is the bullish signal is there. So we have taken the entry, means here 97. It's a 97 is the first breakout. We took the entry. Immediately next candle, means candle by candle only we are trailing. Immediately next candle came down to below cost around 96. It came down to 96. So now after entering, after taking the entry, now we are, our stop loss is 96. 97 we have entered, and 96 is the stop loss. That means we are in 1 point profit now. So next candle, if you see, next candle further it is coming down. So another I'm putting another, means 95 I'm putting the further stop loss. So next fifth candle, if you see here 935 candle, which is a green candle. As per our logic, so whenever green candle is there, we will not trial the stop loss further. We will keep as it is. Whatever stop loss is there, we will keep as it is. So here if you see, awesome, the 935 candle, awesome oscillator, accelerator indicator, both are means red bar, but whereas candle is in the just doji, green doji. That means direction may change either side. So automatically this doji has given the signal of slowly it is reversing here, and that reversal also you are identifying in the accelerator indicator. Accelerator indicator, if you see here, there is a green bar already made. So once whenever the accelerator indicator is making the green bar, so we can trial further, because we can tighten our stop loss. We can tighten the stop loss here. If you see here, yes, I have tightened to 90. So we have entered 90, means 97, and now tighten the stop loss to 90. That means 7 point we booked, and stop loss also hit. Here my accelerator indicator is gave the clear signal of reversal. If you see further, automatically this has crossed our this thing, means whatever enter 97, now it has went up to 103. Sometimes it can go further also, but the today momentum is not much, that is why it has not gone. Otherwise, when it is accelerator indicator, when it is crossing zero line, this bar may go further also any high. So that is why what we have saved that by the putting the trailing stop loss, we save we booked around 7 point. Here we'll note down we have booked 7 point. TSL hit. Okay, this is the first trade. So further, if you see, then what I like to do it, I like to change the entry point here, because here it is, since it is going below only, that candle, all the action oscillators below only, but whereas accelerator indicator is showing bullish, so we will not take any entry up to this point. Whenever accelerator and indicator is not changing, we will not take the trade. So here also we will not take the trade. Here the accelerator indicator is a green bar. So here one more fractal has happened, and again red bar has happened. Red bar, another red bar. Three red bar it is already happened. So that area we can put here, the bottom we can put 71. We can put as a trailing entry. Accordingly when it is reversing, when it is getting reversing, so we can take the entry, because 70, since it is reversing, means 3 bar we got it here, 3 bar signal we got it here. That is why we took the entry. So after taking entry, this accelerator indicator which is showing green, even though we are putting the tight stop loss above the thing, and next whenever next bar it is already going in our direction, so immediately we are putting the cost. Then again next bar it is going in our direction, we are changing into the 64, 71 we entered 64. Again the next bar is going down, so we are changing to 60. Means 71 we entered and 60 we exited, means 11 point. This is actually here small stop loss of got it. Here the directions are okay, even though as per our logic, means candle by candle. If it is a red candle by candle, we'll have to come down. If it is a green candle, we'll have to wait for change of color. So that is what our methodology. So accordingly this got hit. So we cannot expect anything, because sometimes it may hit within our direction also it may hit. So here booked 11 points. TSL hit. Okay. Now just after hitting TSL, again it is going. Whether we will going to take the trade here, no, because here one more fractal, further we'll have to wait for the one more fractal has to form. So if it is forming, then only we can able to take the trade. Here if you see accelerator indicator, everything is green, it is changing the direction. So up to this area we are not taking any trade. So here we are just putting the bottom, we are putting the stop loss trigger order. When it is second bar is giving the signal, this area, the second bar is completing, that area we got the entry. Means here around 50 we got the entry. Then immediately we are trailing, and up to here we are trailing. So 45 means here one more 5 point we could. Okay. Now if you see, now it is getting reversal at 11:40. Now time is 11:40. 11:40 if you see, 11:40 it has already gone to around 24,674. So hence we are here, we are changing to 24,650. And here we are changing to 24,700. 11:30. If you see 11:30 up to here, we already made the this thing. Here there is no now P side there is no clear signal, and 11:30 if you see C side also have some accelerator and accelerator indicator, both are giving the this thing, and here up to this area is giving the signal. This area if you see, this area, this candle is giving the signal. This candle means here. Here it is giving the signal. What we can do it, we can just put this below this fractal. Below this fractal, we can put the entry order, means below this thing we can put the entry order, and this all the accelerator indicator both are supporting up to here. So what we are after entering immediately what we are doing, we are trialing the things up to, we are putting up to cost. Now here if you see this area we have a little tough situations, means here red candle has formed, further one small candle has formed, small candle has formed, hence we are not changing the trailing stop loss up to this area, up to we are putting up to this area. Then again if you see this big candle has formed, again we are changing the stop loss to 58. Then if you see here it's a green candle. So since it's a long candle, normally what we used to do, if it is a long candle, we used to put up to this 50% of the candle, so stop loss. So that's what we normally used to do it. So now I am changing the stop loss to around near about 51. We entered 64 and 51. Now here only green candle, two candle formed, and next one green red candle formed. So again once red candle formed, again changing to 49. I am putting 49. Again one more red candle formed. Then I am changing to 47. So if it is 47, then trial stop loss got hit. So here 64 minus 47, that means 17 point. Here we booked 17 point. Okay. So now after seeing that you see, so it is coming down. It is again coming down. So now what I am doing, I am here, I am changing the strike to, because it's a small premium is there, I am changing the strike to 24,650. So these are the area you can put the support, but whereas here this area accelerator indicator is giving the support, means this area, this candle is giving the clear, means this candle has given the clear support. Both the accelerator indicator have some accelerator, both has given the support. So our entry is also 66 had got triggered. So after by the time we are putting the stop loss, again this is the next candle got green red candle, we put the stop loss here, stop loss got hit, stop loss got hit, means we entered 66, then stop loss got hit 63, means here we booked 3 points. Look, 3 points, only 3 points, because as per our system it has got red candle means we will put the stop loss. If it is a green candle, we will not change the things. Automatically next green candle has a means you already hit the stop loss. So again I am waiting for this thing signal. So this candle actually this have some accelerator both are supporting. So those who are interested to take much risk, they can keep the stop loss in the top itself. When it is the indicators are, means have some accelerator indicators are when the till it is supporting. you can keep as it is. But for me, I will not do like this. I will immediately trial it, because whenever it is happening the green candle, that may go in any distance. That is why we are trialing candle by candle, we are trialing. So again, if you see here, this area is supporting, this candle is supporting, this candle is supporting, but again there is a means this can below only will have to take the trade. That means the time is around 12 2:40. So in that area, if it is a 2:40, means we are waiting for the 3 o'clock moon. When 3 o'clock moon normally we used to expect it. That is why we will not take here, we will not take further trade. If you see here, 3 o'clock trade in the means here 3 o'clock candle means this is 3 o'clock candle, means this one 3 o'clock candle, this one 4:53 3 o'clock candle. Where whenever side, whichever side it is breaking, then that time we will take the trend. Here if you see this 3 o'clock candle is breaking upper side, that is why we are considering in the this one, this side. Here this is the 3 o'clock candle, this is the top, this is the bottom. Okay, 3 o'clock candle, this is the top, this is the bottom. So bottom it is a 70, 72 and 66. Here 3 o'clock we booked around 38 point. So now what it has happened? So we booked first means 24,658 point. Here we booked around 24,653 point. 24,650 both we booked 8 plus 3 11 point. Again 24,600 in the P. 24,000 we booked around first trade 7 plus 11 plus 5 plus 24,650 both P and C 11 point plus again 24,700 17 point. Total, if you see here, means total 17 plus 11 plus 7 plus 11 plus 5. That means 16, 23, 33, 34, 44 plus 7, 51. Total 51 point we booked. It's a by clearly following the only our rules, we booked 51 points without any this thing, without any hesitation, means any our tension or something like that. We booked clearly, we booked around 51 point. Thank you for watching.